Thank you for the intro, Mark. So if you've ever seen those 3D tours when looking for apartments or homes, it takes hours and hours for a photographer or realtor to make that content. They have to have a tripod camera in a room, move it 4 feet away, and then step out of the room as the scan happens, go back into the room to move it again, and the entire process takes hours. Then they have to upload all of that content into a software to actually generate that virtual tour to help make the content. So what we're building is the Vista drone. It's an automated AI drone with sensors and 360 cameras on board to fly through a property, whether it be a home, an office building, a gym, and scan the space autonomously. It cuts down the time to create a virtual tour from 4 hours down to 20 minutes or so for 2,000 square feet. Traction to date, we've closed an enterprise customer called Baycom for about $500,000. They are looking to purchase 200 units and scale their real estate marketing plans. We also launched on Kickstarter and sold another 150 units. So with a total of around $600K in revenue since launch. So our market size for just the real estate photography, the prosumers, the independent people with the tape measures who do the measurements, that's about $7.8 billion. This is just from the US and from folks who are hyper-focused on that market. But by solving the problem of flying indoors autonomously, we can expand very quickly into construction, renovation, public safety even, and security. In terms of what's out there, the three main companies that do things that are similar are Matterport, Skydio, and Insta360. Now, Matterport is that well-known tripod scanner system. They have no autonomy, so it's very manual, requires a person to walk around, and no content editing. They do the 360 and the virtual tours. Skydio is the premier autonomous drone company in the US. They cannot fly indoors. They don't have a 360 camera. And then Insta360 is a handheld 360 camera. You can only carry them, you can't fly them. We're combining the creation of precise data from Matterport plus the autonomy, but specified for indoors from Skydio, and having a consumer 360 camera on board. Go to market, we're starting with residential commercial spaces. So for homes that are being sold in the US, we help with their scans, their data capture. And then in the commercial space, we help with maintenance, renovations, office buildings that need to have scans. We're going to be starting with both prosumer and commercial industries. So that means we're going to be working with real estate brokerages like Compass, CoStar, CBRE. And we've had started conversations with prosumer distributors like Micro Center and Lowe's. So the business model is product sales and software subscriptions. We sell the drone and we sell monthly services around the drone. So that gives us the best of both worlds in that we're making profit margins on product as well as recurring revenue from software from our users. Founding team, we all met in Montgomery County. I went to Watkins Mill. Patrick went to Georgetown Prep. Chris went to St. Albans. We have a team uniquely situated to really solve this goal and create some cutting edge tech. Fundraising, we're raising 1.5 on a safe note, $6 million cap. Before this round, we raised around 260K from angels. And for this round, we have a venture capital firm based in San Francisco who's already led the round with 250K. We are now raising the rest of the round. So meet us in the breakout room. We will have a drone there if you want to check it out and see it in person. I'd love to talk more.